Atlanta Traders Club. What's going on? It's Richard. I just wanted to check with y'all midday. We're making all-time highs in the S&P this morning. What is even now? Uh, I took a small loss on some puts I had bought last night, so try to hopefully this position I gotta offset it in VLO. This is tradingview.com, and I'm in VLO, which is oil sector, and oil is falling off a cliff right now. So if you remember some of the stuff we talked about in the meetup was the peaks and valleys, and as you can see, VLO just been peaking and valley, peaking and valley, peaking and valley, and now it has got to where it's finally starting to break down below the lowest valley in this series of peaks and valleys, which is right here. So I got into some $63.50 puts. I'm going to show you that in a second on the TD Ameritrade platform. Like I said, I use the trading view just to show people there's free stuff out there to use. This line is where I got in on $63.50 puts. Let me switch over so you can check it out. So this is inside the TD Ameritrade account. I got this is how this reads. It has 100 shares of the weeklies. I always trade the weekly because they're very liquid. This option expires on June the 9th, 2017 for and it's a $63.50 put on VLO. So right now I'm up a whopping $38 and $59 on the day. But I'm gonna see, because our oil is showing some real weakness right now, so I'm gonna pull up an oil chart. This is a VLO. Let's pull up a crude oil chart. Oil front month, and as you can see, it's looking very, very, very weak. So markets fall 3 times faster than they rise. So let's count and see, did we come to the opinion on this one. There's one. We're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We'll say 13 days. That's a Fibonacci count as well. And it should take 3 times faster, so 13 divided by 3. You can do the math on that, but we're going to pull up the calculator and do the exact math. So let's pull out the calculator. Kind of could get a guesstimate of where it's going. 13 divided by 3. So it shouldn't take now, it might take all 4 days. So let's just say this was 1 day, this red day, this was 2 days. So we got 2 more days coming down. In my charts, I got a support level at 49.22, or right here at 40. Well, let me back up. First support level will be right here at 4,800. Next support level will be right here at 47.07. The reason I say that, if we zoom in on a daily chart, we got a small valley right here. That might be the next stop as far as support, and maybe a little bounce. Then after that, the next pivot point or valley will be down over in these valleys over here, which those prices are 47 and some change. So like I said, right now that VLO is working out pretty good. I actually took that trade this morning, saw it gonna happen, so let me go ahead and get into this. Went out, ran a few errands. That's nothing that I like about options. You can put in the trade and kind of let it roll. I got all the way until June the 9th, so I got a few more than a few days for it to work out for me. Next stop I see on VLO is what it's pressing against right now. We can go to the live chart and see where it's at. This is delayed on Trading View. We'll go to the live chart, charts, VLO. Let's pull up that's an hourly chart. That's an hourly chart of work. So let's zoom in, see where we at. Right now the low for the day is $63.05. Don't know where I got 11 from. And we're trending down. And like I said, we're going to go over some of this stuff in the next meetup. I'll be helping out at a meetup Saturday from 3 to 5 at the southeast location library from 3 to 5. If y'all around, feel free to come by. So I'm finna end this recording. Just want to give y'all a daily update of what I was in. See how this work out. VLO 63.50 puts. See how they work. All right, catch y'all at the next meetup.